Good morning, my dear students. I'm S.K. Tiwari from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. With the explanation of lesson 1 in history. Today I want to make explanation over Bhakti and Sufi saints. What is the meaning of Bhakti and Sufi saints? Bhakti and Sufi saints developed therein medieval period, and under this period the saints preached among the people and they stated that all people are equal before the God. There is no contradiction among the people on the basis of caste, creed, region, religion, etc. And now some other terms which was remain on yesterday. So I want to make explanation over subcontinent. What is the meaning of subcontinent? A country which is large enough than a country but smaller than a continent is called subcontinent. And next term is chronicle. What is the meaning of chronicle? Chronicle is a record of historical events and happening. The record of historical events and happening is known as chronicle. And next term is inscriptions. What is the meaning of inscriptions? Writings which are engraved on pillars, rocks, caves, walls, and on metal plates are called inscriptions. They provide us the knowledge about our history. After that, biography. What is the meaning of biography? Biography is an account of a person's life which is written by someone else. That is known as biography. After that, here is a term of autobiography, an account of a person's life written by himself or herself is called autobiography. And now I want to tell you about bastion. What is the meaning of bastion? Bastion is a place that military forces defend. That place is called bastion. And now some more explanation. And this explanation is very helpful to know about the silent features of medieval period. And at first I want to tell you that firstly some silent features of medieval periods. Firstly, in medieval period there is sufficient historical material is available. Secondly, in this period we saw the rise of Bhakti and Sufi movement in medieval period. Thirdly, in this period the foundation of Mughal Empire was laid by Babur in year 1526. He defeated Ibrahim Lodi and established Mughal Empire here. After that, this period saw the rise of Marathas and Sikhs, and at last this period is also famous for economic prosperity and this prosperity attracted Europeans, traders towards India. And lastly, the feature which I am going to tell you, which I am going to present before you, that is, during this period, several kingdoms became independent. This is the silent feature of the medieval period, and that's all.